morning everyone. Let's start our class. Okay students, see here. Write different two-digit numbers using 5, 6, 7 where each digit can be used only once. Check whether these numbers are divisible by 2, 3, 5, 6 and 9. So here we have 3 digits. Here given are 3 digits. We have to write two-digit numbers by using these 3 digits and also we have to use only one digit at a time. And we have to check these numbers are divisible by 2, 3, 5, 6 and 9. Okay. So given digits, what are the given digits? The digits are given digits 5, 6, 7. Here he didn't mention how many numbers we can write. Only use two digits at it. Only we can write two digit numbers. So I am writing the first number as 5 and 56, and next one is 57. Okay, two numbers here, and I am using 6 now. 67 and 65, and again I am using 76, 75. Okay, I write 6 numbers: 56, 57, 67, 65, 76, 75. So I am checking, first of all I completed the writing of two digit numbers by using 5, 6, 7 digits, and next step is we have to check whether these numbers are divisible by 2, 3, 5, 6 and 9. Okay, first of all I am checking for 56. Okay, I am checking for the number 56. So first I am checking for divisibility rule by 2. So what is the divisibility rule for 2? The divisibility rule for 2 is if a number having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 any of its in last digit, then that number is divisible by 2. So మనకి ఏదైనా ఒక నెంబర్ కి యూనిట్స్ ప్లేస్ లో 0 కానీ 2 కానీ 4 కానీ 6 కానీ 8 కానీ ఉంటే ఆ నెంబర్ మనకి 2 తో డివిజిబుల్ అవుతుంది. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి యూనిట్స్ ప్లేస్ లో 6 ఉంది కాబట్టి ఈ నెంబర్ ఏమవుతుంది 2 తో డివిజిబుల్ అవుతుంది. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ divisible by 2. Okay, next 3 ఉంది కాబట్టి 3 తో చెక్ చేస్తే 3 కి రూల్ ఏంటి? సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద డిజిట్స్ ఈజ్ ఎ మల్టిపుల్ ఆఫ్ 3 అవ్వాలి. సో ఇక్కడ సమ్ చేస్తే 5 + 6 = 11 వచ్చింది. 11 3 యొక్క మల్టిపుల్ నో, 11 is not a multiple of 3, so it is not divisible by 3. Next is 6 or 5. So what is the rule for 5? The units place must be 0 or 5. So here we have 6, that's why this number is not divisible by 5. 5 rule ఏంటమ్మా, యూనిట్స్ ప్లేస్ లో 0 కానీ 5 కానీ ఉండాలి. ఇక్కడ అలాగే ఏమైనా ఉందా? 6 ఉంది కాబట్టి ఈ నెంబర్ 5 తో divisible అవుతుంది. So what is the rule for 6? The number should be divisible by both 2 and 3. 2 and 3 తో divisible అవుతే 6 తో కూడా అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ 2 తో అవ్వింది, 3 తో అవ్విందా? లేదు. సో this number is not divisible by 6. And the last one is 9. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. So sum ఈ రెండిటి యొక్క sum 9 తో divisible అవుతే ఆ నెంబర్ కూడా 9 తో divisible అవుతుంది. సో 5 + 6 11, 9 తో divisible అవుతుందా? No. So this is not divisible by 9 also. Okay, so 56 is completed. Next I am going to 57. Here in 57 ones place is 7, that's why this number is not divisible by 2. For 3, 5 + 7 is equal to 12. 12 is a multiple of 3, that's why this number is divisible by 3. And also for 5 the units place must be 0 or 5, so this is not divisible by 5. And for 6 the number should be divisible by both 2 and 3, so it is not divisible by 2, that's why it is also not divisible by 6. And for 9 the sum should be divisible by 9, so 5 + 7 = 12. 12 is not divisible by 9, that's why this number is also not divisible by 9. Okay, so right here for 57 not divisible by 2. and divisible by 3, and also okay not divisible by 5, and also not divisible by 6, and also not divisible by 9. Okay, 56, 57 is completed. Now 67 and 65. Here 65, if you see 65, 7 is in ones place, so it is not divisible by 2. 6 plus 7 equal to 13, so it is also not divisible by 3, and it is also not divisible by 5, not divisible by 6, not divisible by 9 also. Okay, now see 65. If you see 65, if you add these two numbers, we get the same as 11. 11 as the answer. So it is not divisible by 2, not divisible by 3, not divisible by 6, and it is divisible by 5. It is not divisible by 9 also. Okay, it is only divisible by 5. 76. Here 6 is in ones place, so this number is divisible by 2. And if you add these two numbers, 7 plus 6 is equal to 13, so it is not divisible by 3, and it is also not divisible by 5, and also not divisible by 6, and also not divisible by 9. 7 plus 5. If you add these two numbers, we get 12 as the answer, so it is divisible by 3, and it is also divisible by 5. It is not divisible by 6 because of it is not divisible by 2, and also it is not divisible by 9. Okay children, so మీరు రిమైనింగ్ 4 numbers కి కూడా ఎలా నీట్గా రాయండి. ఓకే, అండ్ ఆల్సో ఐ విల్ గివ్ అనదర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ యాజ్ హోంవర్క్. Okay children, this is the homework problem for you. Write different 3-digit numbers using 2, 3, 4. Here the digits are 2, 3, 4, and where each digit repeat only one time. So check whether these numbers are divisible by 9. So 2, 3, 4 తో 3 digit numbers ఫామ్ చేసుకుంది. సో ఆ నెంబర్స్ 9 తో divisible అవుతున్నాయో లేదో చెక్ చేయండి. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, థ్యాంక్ యూ, బాయ్, సీ యూ ఇన్ నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్.